I founded the Zyris organization in 2011 with the vision of helping ideas manifest from the chip to the cloud and everything in between. Since then, we've been focused on providing technology consulting to startups and small businesses. At the time, I identified the most common challenge was that there was no cost-effective tools to automate business tasks, as well as there was a limited talent pool for software as a service or software startups. Custom software was very expensive to create, let alone maintain, and usually required dedicated on-premises hardware, which was also very expensive for most businesses, in addition to requiring full-time maintenance and monitoring. While there were a few cost-effective software solutions out there, they were usually riddled with bugs, making them unpredictable and inaccessible to startups and small businesses due to their limited technical support budgets. Less than 4 years later, in 2015, after we identified the most common problems our startup and small business customers were having were related to software, we decided to found Zyris Software, a wholly owned subsidiary that would be focused on making custom software more accessible to startups and small businesses. Back in 2015, cloud services were vastly underutilized by small companies. So we specialized in creating cloud-supported software that was scalable from day one, in addition to being stable, reliable, and secure. We also developed proprietary software development technology that allows us to vastly reduce the development time of proof of concepts and MVPs, ensuring that our customers would get orders of magnitude more value for less cost. Since then, we have been focused on working with startups and small businesses that are looking for a long-term partnership rather than one-off projects. As a result of this, we have had the opportunity to work with some of Canada's best businesses and startups. Here's just a few of the companies we have worked with since 2015. One of these companies, Fit Metabolism, was a Calgary small business that was trying to engage with their customers more effectively. Through working with Zyris over a 9-month period, we were able to design and develop a powerful web app that leveraged our proprietary technology, enabling Fit Metabolism to work with their customers more closely. Here you can see a testimonial from the president of Fit Metabolism, Craig Regier. As a result of our commitment to helping ideas manifest, we have had the unique opportunity of working on a wide range of projects and collaborations with some of Canada's most innovative startups. Our team has worked on everything from high-profile web apps, wearables showcased at runway shows, and hardware devices for the Internet of Things. Wherever possible, we like to collaborate rather than compete. This enables us to make twice the progress in half the time. Since day one, we have been focused on working with startups and have primarily worked with startups. We are focused on creating as much value for our customers rather than revenue for ourselves. We understand that startups need a maximum amount of value for their very tight budgets. This experience has taught us the do's and don'ts of startups, as well as the unique constraints that most startups have. Honestly, since 2011, we have seen pretty much every scenario you can think of when it comes to startups. Most of our customers have chosen to work with us for at least a year, and we regularly invest in startup clients who are dedicated to solving a real problem for a very focused group of customers. Here's another testimonial from one of our past clients, Pod Marketing. Now, I know I'm jumping through these slides really quickly, mainly because the purpose of this webinar isn't to talk about ourselves. The reason I'm doing this is because I want you to know everything you've seen in this webinar is based in experience. This isn't just theory that we're throwing around. This is based on our first-hand experience of working with startups. If you didn't get a chance to read the testimonials before I switch slides, you can find them all on our website, zyris.ca.